Okay, now I'm going to show you how to, we're going to do 3/4 bound and then put some lovely little bows on, rather than you're still going to have your pins, but we're going to do something slightly different. So again, starting with your thumb holding that edge, I'm going to work myself around, making sure the tie point's nice and covered and pulled quite tight, just to make sure it's all held in place nicely. And then I'm going to start to work my way down. You can always tuck bits of ribbon in as you go if you think that some bits need moving or tucking in or anything like that. Don't be afraid to move the ribbon where you need it. And then I'm just going to go back up slightly. Make sure those loops around are nice and even as well, that makes a lot of difference. I'm going to go nearly to the top. And back down again. Okay, and then when I finish, I like to leave a little tail and fold over the edge, so it's a nice clean edge. I'm just going to pop a ribbon in just to keep it in place while I make some bows. Okay, so with the bows, I'm going to do a simple loop one side and then loop back the other side. Little bit fiddly, but lots of practice and you get used to that, like so. And then I'm gonna hold it on in place. Then you can decide whether you'd like them a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller, like so. And then I'm gonna pop a pin straight through the middle, up into the centre, like that. Like so, and you could put 2 or 3. I'm going to pop another one at the top there. So you're making a nice little loop one side and then a nice little loop the other side. You want to make sure they're roughly about the same sort of size as well, just so they match. And I'm going to pop another one just at the top there. Just like so.